Welcome to my channel English Learnings BD. On March 26, 2024, the world witnessed a historic moment as leaders from various nations gathered in a landmark summit aimed at addressing pressing global challenges. Hosted in a bustling metropolis, the summit served as a platform for dialogue and collaboration on issues ranging from climate change and sustainable development to geopolitical tensions and economic cooperation. Amidst a backdrop of heightened uncertainty and complexity, delegates engaged in spirited discussions, seeking common ground and innovative solutions to complex problems facing humanity. Outside the summit venue, activists and protesters voiced their concerns, calling for bold action and accountability from policymakers. As the day progressed, optimism mingled with apprehension, reflecting the weight of expectations resting on the outcomes of this pivotal gathering. Indeed, March 26, 2024, marked a pivotal moment in the collective journey towards a more equitable, sustainable, and peaceful world. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.